limits third session. Already two parts of our. In the first part, what is the limit, when limit exists. Some basics were discussed. When limit exists. Just to recall once. LHL is equal to RHL is equal to finite. Then limit exists. Next point. What are the indeterminate forms? What are the indeterminate forms? Those are totally 7. Already we are done. 4 are algebraic, 3 are exponential. Those are 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, infinity minus infinity, infinity into 0. And remaining exponential power infinity, infinity power 0, 0 power 0. These 4 are exponential, totally 7. These 7 are called indeterminate forms. Then what are the determinate forms? What are the determinate forms? Those are totally 4 it is. One is infinity plus infinity, which is equal to infinity. Next, infinity into infinity, which is also equal to infinity. Next, third one, infinity power infinity is also infinity. Last one, 0 power infinity is equal to 0. This is already over. Just recall. And now we'll take some problems. In the second session, we have done already rationalize and double rationalize, factorization, binomial approximation. Okay. And also now, today also we are discussing, we are taking some problems by using binomial approximation and different methods. We will see once. Take one example for that. Limit x tends to 1 cube root of 7 plus 1 x cube minus square root of 3 plus x square whole divided by x minus 1. This is we are solving by using binomial approximation. Already I am given binomial approximation formulas. Those are 1 plus x whole power n, which is equal to 1 plus nx and so on. These all are negligible. And next 1 minus x whole power n, this can be written by 1 minus nx plus and so on. These all are negligible. So by using that, here we will take in the place of x 1 plus h or 1 minus h. I am taking here 1 plus h. Limit x tends to 1, 7 plus 1 plus h whole power 3 whole power 1 by 3 minus 3 plus 1 plus h whole square whole power 1 by 2 whole divided by 1 plus h minus 1. Limit. Here we will take h tends to 0. Right. Now limit h tends to 0. 7 plus 1 plus 3h binomial approximation we are applying here, whole power 1 by 3 minus 3 plus 1 plus 2h whole power 1 by 2 whole divided by 1 cancel, then we get h only, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. This is 8. Now we are applying binomial approximation. Before that, remember, for applying binomial approximation, that is 1 plus x formation must it is. Remember. So that's why I am taking 8 common, 8 power 1 by 3 we get into 1 plus 3h by 8 whole power 1 by 3 minus, here also I am taking 4 outside, then we get 4 power 1 by 2 into 1 plus 2h power 2h by 4 whole power 1 by 2 whole divided by h it is. So limit h tends to 0. Here we get 2, here we get 2. From that we are taking 2 outside. Then binomial approximation one more time we are applying. Then 1 plus 3h by 8 into 3. Minus take inside, minus 1 minus 2h by 4 into 2 whole divided by h. Here 3 cancel, here 2 cancel, here 1 cancel here. Then what is the remaining value? Limit h tends to 0. 2 as it is, and from both h also I am taking outside. The remaining value is 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4 is the remaining value whole divided by h. H both are get cancelled. Then limit h tends to 0. 2 into 8 LCM 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 by 4 is the answer. Here by solving this one we are using binomial approximation, that is Now same problem we are solving by using L.Hospital rule. Up to now we are not discussing that L.Hospital rule. Why I am not given importance for this one? By using L.Hospital rule we need solve any one problem. We need some formulas. Those are differentiations. Those differentiations for the students, they don't know why, because without limits differentiation will not start. One formula is d by dx of, this is called derivative of d by dx of x power n, which is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Second one, d by dx of e power x is equal to e power x. Third one, d by dx of constant, which is equal to 0. Fourth one, d by dx of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Fifth one, d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. Sixth one, d by dx of cos x, which is equal to minus sin x. Next, derivative of tan x, d by dx of tan x, which is equal to secant square x. Eighth one, d by dx of cot x, which is equal to minus cosecant square x. Ninth one, derivative of secant x, which is equal to secant x into tan x, 10th one, d by dx of cosecant x, which is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. Like that we have some formulas. Later we will discuss the total formulas. Just now we will take those formulas only. By using these formulas we will solve some problems. Okay, we will take same problem. Limit extends to 1 cube root of 7 plus x cube minus square root of 3 plus x square whole divided by x minus 1. Limit. By using L.Hospital rule, this is actually, it is visible u by v formula. But in the L.Hospital rule, without any using u by v, differentiation separately for the numerator and denominator. So, limit extends to 1 as it is. It is 7 plus x cube whole power 1 by 3. Actually, 7 plus x cube whole power 1 by 3 minus 3 plus x square whole power 1 by 2 by x minus 1. Now, how to solve this one? Derivative of x square is 2x power 2 minus 1. Next, like that, derivative of cos x whole square, how to solve? Here we need to solve two differentiation. One is x power n formation, n into x power, that means cos x power 2 minus 1 into derivative of cos x. So that means base derivative. Here why we are not taking base derivatives are here also we will take the base derivative of x. Derivative of x is equal to what we have here, 2x into x derivative is 1. So we didn't take that. Okay, so 2 into cos x derivative minus sin x. So total answer is minus sin 2x is the answer. Right? So like that we can solve here. Limit extends to 1 by 3 into 7 plus x cube whole power 1 by 3 minus 1 into x cube derivative is 3x square. Right? 7 derivative is 0. Next, like that, minus 1 by 2 into 3 plus x square whole power 1 by 2 minus 1 into derivative of 3 plus x square. 3 derivative is 0. X square derivative is 2x. Whole divided by x derivative 1 derivative constant is 0. Okay. Now, limit extends to 1. Here 3 will cancel and x cube is remaining. 7 plus x cube whole power minus 2 by 3. Let us take the LCM, then we get here, and something is okay. Limit x tends to 1. 3 will cancel here and x square is remaining, and here 7 plus x cube whole power minus 2 by 3 minus 2 will cancel here, and x into 3 plus x square whole power minus 1 by 2 whole divided by 1 it is. So limit x tends to 1, apply in the place of x is equal to 1. Then what we get here? This is 1. Here it is 8 power minus 2 by 3. Here it is 1 into 4 power minus 1 by 2. Here 2 power minus 2 will get. Here 2 power minus 1 we get here. So that is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. That is equal to minus 1 by 4 is the remaining answer. See, simple thing. L.Hospital rule is very best way to solve limit problems. But before solving L.Hospital rule, we need differentiation formulas. When you know the differentiation formula, this is the best way for solving limit. And next we will take one more problem. Limit x tends to 1. X plus x square plus x cube plus and so on x power n minus n by x minus 1. Here on the place of x apply 1. This is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on x power n. This is number of terms are n terms, so that's why it is n. n minus n is 0. 0 by 0 form we get. Then it is indeterminate form. Then we will do one thing here. It is different from the above problems. It is not using any L.Hospital rule, not using differentiation. That means factorization, binomial approximation. It will not exist here. I am taking another method. Here what I am doing here, x plus x square plus x cube plus and so on x power n minus of 1 plus 1 plus and so on plus 1 n times whole divided by x minus 1. Here we will take like this. This one is here. This one is here. Like that I will take. Then x tends to 1. X minus 1 by x minus 1. Denominator value also we speak. X square minus 1 by x minus 1. X cube minus 1 by x minus 1 and so on. X power n minus 1 by x minus 1. This is the remaining value. Now already you know x square minus 1 square is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Like that, x cube minus 1 cube is equal to x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. Like that, x power 4 minus 1 power 4. X power 4 minus 1 power 4, which is equal to x minus 1 into x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 it is. So, like that we can take x power n minus 1 power n, which is also equal to x minus 1 into x power n minus 1, x power n minus 2 and so on plus 1 it is. Now here you take it, x square minus 1 square let us consider. So x minus 1 will cancel, right? Then remaining is x plus 1. Here these both are get cancelled. Limit x tends to 1. This is 1 plus. Here we get x plus 1. Here we get x square plus x plus 1 and so on. Here we get x power n minus 1, x power n minus 2 and so on plus 1 it is. Now in the place of x apply is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 1. It is like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n, which is equal to sum of the natural numbers. Okay, then formula is n into n plus 1 by 2 it is, right? Next one we'll take some formulas and derivations also by using L.Hospital rule. See here, actually this is the formula. Limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a, which is equal to n into a power n minus 1. What is the derivation of this one? See here, L.Hospital rule. By applying L.Hospital rule, x power n formula, limit x tends to a as it is. N into x power n minus 1. Minus a is the constant, that's why it is derivative is 0, and also in the denominator 1 minus 0 it is. Now in the place of x, a apply, then n into a power n minus 1. This is the derivation. We'll take another one. Those are a formula only. Limit x tends to 0. Sin x by x. Sin x by x. Then how to write this one? Here also take it 0 by 0 form. Then what to do? Using L.Hospital rule. This also answer is 1. How we get that? Simple thing. Limit x tends to 0. Sin x derivative is cos x. X derivative is 1. So, in the place of x apply 0. Then cos 0 is 1. Right? Next one. Limit x tends to 0. Tan x by x, which is also equal to 1. How we get this one? See here, limit x tends to 0. Tan x derivative is secant square x by x derivative is 1. So secant square of 0 is equal to 1 it is. Next one. Limit x tends to 0. Sin 3x by sin 2x, which is also equal to 3 by 2. Numerator x quotient and denominator x quotient, that is 3 by 2. Right? How we get this one? Limit x tends to 0. Sin theta derivative is cos theta, that's why cos 3x. Then 3x derivative is 3 it is, by sin 2x derivative is cos 2x and 2x derivative is 2, which is equal to 3 by 2 is outside. Remaining is limit x tends to 0. 3x by, it is 3 by 2 in answer is 3 by 2. Okay. Next one is limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos x by x square. Then here also check it. In the place of x apply 0. 0 by 0 form we get. Then what to do here? Do L'Hospital rule. Limit x tends to 0. One derivative is a constant, it is 0. Cos derivative is minus sin x whole divided by x square derivative is 2x, which is equal to limit x tends to 0 sin x by x into 1 by 2, that is equal to 1. So remaining answer is 1 by 2. One more problem. Limit x tends to 0 x minus sin x by x cube, which is also 0 by 0 form. Then limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos x by 3x square. Now apply in the place of x 0. It is 1 minus 1. Numerator is 0, denominator also 0. Then also getting 0 by 0 form. Then do one more time L'Hospital rule. Limit x tends to 0 1 minus of minus sin x by 6x. Now check here. In the place of x 0, 1 minus 1 plus 0 it is by 0. Here it is, we get 0. That means do one thing here. Sin x by x it is here we done one mistake. It is 0 here. Constant derivative is 0. So that's why here we get 0 by 0 form. Then also do one more L'Hospital rule. Or else do one thing here. L'Hospital rule apply, then we get or else you check here. From here only. This is already we are done in the above question only. Right? So that means 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Answer is 1 by 6. Without solving next extension. Right? Or else we get same answer. Here also you check it. Which is equal to what we get? Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x into 1 by 6. This is totally 1 it is. So 1 into 1 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 6. Okay. Next one. Limit x tends to 0 x minus tan x by x cube. Here also check in the place of x is 0. 0 by 0 form we get. Then do L'Hospital rule. Limit x tends to 0. 1 minus tan x derivative is secant square x by x cube derivative is 3x square. So then apply here. In the place of x 0, secant 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 by 0 form. Then do one more time rationalize. Limit x tends to 0. Constant derivative is 0. 2 secant x into secant x derivative is secant x into tan x. Okay. Whole divided by 6x. Now check here in the place of x 0. Then what we get? So then also get some infinity. Then we'll do one thing. Limit x tends to 0. Right here tan x by x. Remaining minus 2 secant square x by 6. Here 2, here 1, 3 times cancel. This is totally 1 and this is 1 by 3. Total answer is minus 1 by 3 it is. Right? And next one more problem. Limit h tends to 0. 1 by h into 8 plus h power 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2h. Right? This is different problem from above. Here you check once. In the place of h 0 apply, infinity minus infinity we get here. When we get infinity minus infinity, remember everyone, when we get infinity minus infinity, do LCM. So, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. LCM is 2h into 8 plus h power 1 by 3. Here we get 2 minus 8 plus h power 1 by 3, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. Now 2 minus 8 taking outside 8 power 1 by 3 means it is 2. Remaining value is 1 plus h by 8 whole power 1 by 3 whole divided by 2h into, here also I am taking 8 outside, then it is 2. Okay. 1 plus h by 8 whole power 1 by 3 it is. Right? Now, limit h tends to 0. Taking 2 numerator common, 1 minus, apply L'Hospital rule, minus 1 minus h by 8 into 3. In the denominator, 4 into h. Apply binomial approximation, h by 8 into 3. So here 2 times cancel. Limit h tends to 0. 1 cancel here and this h also will cancel. Minus 1 by 24 into 1 by 1 plus 0 it is. Then remaining is into 1 by 2 into 2. Right? So now answer is minus 1 by 48. This is the answer. Right? And we'll take some problems by using LCM. That means when we get infinity minus infinity form. Okay. See. One more example. Limit x tends to 2. 4 by x square minus 4 plus 1 by 2 minus x. Apply in the place of x 2. Infinity plus infinity we get. Then what to do? Infinity minus infinity is there. Then do the LCM. Here what we can do? Limit x tends to 2. 4 by x square minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 2. What I am done? From this one I am taking minus outside. Then infinity minus infinity we get. Then do LCM. Limit x tends to 2. x square minus 4 is the value. 1 minus x plus 2 is remaining. Then limit x tends to 2. Here we get minus x minus 1 by x square minus 4 is the remaining value. Then like that you simplify the remaining. Next question. Limit x tends to 0. Cos x power 1 by 3 minus cos x power 1 by 2 whole divided by 1 minus cos square x. Then what to do here? This is cos x power 1 by 3 minus cos x power 1 by 2 whole divided by 1 minus cos square x. Then here see, limit x tends to 0. Cos x can be written by root of 1 minus sin square x whole power 1 by 3 as it is. Here also square root of 1 minus sin square x whole power 1 by 2 as it is. Whole divided by sin square x. Now, limit x tends to 0. Here also we get 1 minus sin square whole power 1 by 6 minus 1 minus sin square x whole power 1 by 4 whole divided by sin square x. Apply binomial approximation formula. Limit x tends to 0. 1 minus sin square x by 6 minus 1 plus sin square x by 4 whole divided by sin square x. Minus 1 and plus 1 cancel. Remaining limit x tends to 0. Taking outside sin square x, remaining is minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 4 by sin square x. Both sin square x will get cancelled. Remaining is 24 LCM. Here minus 4, here plus 6. Then 2 by 24, which is equal to 1 by 12. Right? Next one. One more question. Limit x tends to infinity x square into root over x plus 2 by x minus cube root of x plus 3 by x. Here also check once. In the place of x, apply infinity, then we get infinity minus infinity. And one more check here. This is totally we get 0. This is infinity. Infinity into 0 form also we get here. Remember that. Okay. So, infinity minus infinity already we have done. That is not a problem. Here you on the place of x infinity, then we are applying, then we get infinity into 0 form. When we get infinity into 0 form, remember, take the value in the denominator like that only. Above infinity minus infinity means do LCM. That means we need any one value in the denominator. Here also we need one value in the denominator, that is main compulsory. So I am doing here one thing. Very nice question it is. Limit x tends to infinity root over 1 plus 2 by x minus cube root 1 plus 3 by x whole divided by 1 by x square. Is it okay? Now, what I am doing here, limit x tends to infinity one plus 2 by x whole power 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 3 by x whole power 1 by 3 whole divided by 1 by x square. Up to now you know already. What to do here? What is the binomial approximation? Here the formula is 1 plus x whole power p by q form. That is like 1 plus x whole power 1 plus x whole power n form. That is already 1 plus nx we have written. But here we get one problem. In the denominator, degree is 2. So that's why these two are taking up to x square term. Earlier time we are taking up to x term only. But here we need to take up to x square term. Then how to take, what is the formula for that? Here the formula is 1 plus p by q into x, else one thing we do, p by q into p by q minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus and so on. And one more, 1 minus x whole power p by q. Just, what is the difference? Just we are getting plus or minus only. I'll try to plus or minus. We get remaining everything is same. 1 minus x. 1 minus p by q into x plus p by q into p by q minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square and so on. These remaining are negligible. Now, what to do here? Limit x tends to infinity. This can be written by 1 plus 1 by 2 into 2 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 factorial into 2 by x whole square minus, up to now this one, this is the first value, expansion, and minus 1 plus 1 by 3 into 3 by x. Sorry, it is minus, I think both are plus only, okay. Plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 minus 1 whole divided by 2 factorial into 3 by x whole square whole divided by 1 by x square. See here, 2 cancel. These 3 cancel. Right? And this 1 and this minus 1 will cancel. And this is 1 by x. And this is also 1 by x. But this is plus 1 by x. This is minus 1 by x. So these both are cancelled. Right? Next, remaining what we have. Limit x tends to infinity 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 by 2 into 4 by x square minus 1 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 whole divided by 2 into 3 by x whole square. 3 by x whole square it is. Then now, here denominator is 1 by x square as it is. Then limit x tends to 0. 1 by x square take outside and both are get cancelled here. 1 by x square take outside, then remaining minus 1 by 8 into 4 minus 2 by 9 into 2 into 9. 9 both are cancelled. 4 here 2 times. Here 2 will cancel. Then 1 by x square remaining. 1 by x square both are cancelled here, which is equal to limit x tends to 0. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is the remaining value. Answer is 2 LCM. Minus 1 minus 2 it is minus 3 by 2 it is. Right? Next one. See, here I have done one mistake here. Minus into minus plus it is. That means here it is plus 1. That means 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay. Right. Next one. Next one. Limit x tends to 0 plus x log x. This is the given. X tends to 0 plus x log x. 0 plus, when they are saying 0 plus, in the place of x, 0 plus h it is. That is everyone they know. Limit h tends to 0. H into log h. H into log h. In the place of h apply 0. 0 into log 0. That means 0 into infinity form. When we get 0 into infinity form, take the denominator any one value. That is I am doing here. Limit h tends to 0. Log h by 1 by h it is. Then now check, in the place of h apply 0. Infinity by infinity form. Infinity by infinity form. Then what to do here? Do L.Hospital rule. Do L.Hospital rule. Limit h tends to 0. Log h derivative is 1 by h. 1 by h derivative is minus 1 by h square, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. It is remaining minus h it is. Then the answer is 0. Then one more question it is. Limit x tends to infinity x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 whole power 1 by 3 minus x is equal to what? Limit x tends to infinity. Here multiply these 3, then we get here x cube minus 6x plus 11x plus 6 whole power 1 by 3 minus x we get here. What to do now? Now take x cube outside. Limit x tends to infinity. Take x cube outside. X cube power 1 by 3. Then remaining is 1 minus 6 by x square plus 11 by x square. Here I think 6x square it is. Then automatically 6x it is. 11 by x square plus 6 by x cube minus x as it is. Now these three cancel. Take x outside. Take x outside. 1 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Infinity into 0 form we get here. Infinity into 0 form. Then what to do? So here, when we get infinity into 0 form, take any one value in the denominator. So, from this one I am taking limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 6 by x. Here it is whole power 1 by 3 it is 6 by x plus it is minus 11 by x square plus 6 by x cube. Okay, and minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 as it is whole divided by here it is 1 by x. Now what to do here? Limit x tends to infinity. Apply power value. Then automatically what we done here? I think this is plus and this is also plus only. Here I am done mistake. 1 plus 6 by x into 1 by 3 plus 11 by x square into 1 by 3 plus 6 by x cube into 1 by 3 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 we get cancelled. Whole divided by 1 by x as it is. Then which is equal to 1 by x taking outside. Then I'll do one thing. 1 by x separately taking limit x tends to infinity. These 3 will cancel 2 times. 2 by x by 1 by x. Okay. Next, remaining all are getting 0 only. It is 2 answer. Okay, thank you.